Welcome to Intellectual. In this video tutorial, we are going to talk about factors and multiples. Now, when we multiply two integers, let us say 3 and 4, we get a product called as 12. This is called as product. Similarly, if I take another example, if I write 2 into 7 into 5, so I'll get 70 as a product. So, what is factor? Factor is a number by which we divide the another number completely. Suppose I want to divide 12, so I can divide it with 3, I can divide it by 4, 4 3s are 12, the division is complete, and 3 4s are 12, the division is complete. So here 12 is called dividend, and 3 and 4 are called as divisors. So 3 and 4 are divisor, and the another term it is called as factor. So factor is a number which divides the dividend completely. So I'll write a definition. Factor is a number which divides the dividend completely. So if I write 12 and I'll write all the factors of 12, 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, all gives me 12, right? So the total factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, out of which these 2, 3, 4, 6 are called as proper factors, and 1 and this 12, this is called as improper factor. Now let us look at some property of the factors. First property, 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. We'll see this with an example. We'll take the example of 12 only. 1 into 12, 2 into 6 and 3 into 4. So we see that 1 is a factor of every number. Whatever number, suppose taken another example, say 8. So I'll write the factors of 8, 1 into 8, 2 into 4. So I see that 1, 2, 4 and 8. So we see that 1 is a factor of every number. Second, every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. Right. So we have seen here, I'll mark with the different color, 12. Example here, it is 12. Now, third, every number except 1 has at least 2 factors. Every number except 1 has at least 2 factors. It means every number will have more than 2 factors. At least 2 means 2 or more than 2, right? Next number, every factor of a number is less than the number. So we have seen the factors of 12. It is factors of 12 it like this: every factor of a number is less than the number. So is less than 12, right? 3 is also less than 12, 4 is less than 12, 6 is less than 12, 1 is also less than 12. So every factor of a number is less than the number or equal to the number, or equal to number. Here the last number is 12, which is equal to the number. So these are the four properties of the factor. One is a factor of every number, as we have seen here, and every number is a factor of itself. 12, every number except 1 has at least 2 factors. So we have seen that in example of 8 we have more than 2 factors, in 12 we have more than 2 factors, and every factor of a number is less than or equal to number. So we have seen that 1, 2, 3, 6, 4 and 6 all are less than 12. So these are the properties of factor. Now next comes the multiples. I will explain it with the same example of 12. I write 12 as 3 and 4. Now multiples itself understood, it is a multiple or multiply. So if I write factors, a multiplication of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. For 4 it is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. So we see that 12 is a multiple of 3, 12 is a multiple of 4. So 12 is a multiple of 3, it is also a multiple of 4, right? Now we will look at the properties of multiples. What are the properties of multiple? Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to number itself. Every multiple is greater than or equal to number. So we have seen here the multiple of 3, it is 3, 6, 9, 12. So all the multiples of 3 are equal to 3 or greater than 3, right? Number has infinite multiples. So we can write infinite multiples of 3, right? 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. And every number is a multiple of itself. So I explain it. So these are the properties of multiples and factors. Hope you like this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial with some properties of factors, and I'll tell you how will you calculate the sum of factors, product of factors and so on. Goodbye. See you in the next tutorial. So guys, we have seen the properties of multiples and the properties of factors and what is factors and multiples in this video tutorial. In the next video tutorial, we are going to find out the sum of factors, product of factors, total number of factors of a number. Hope you like this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial with some more problems on factors. Goodbye.